What exactly is depreciation? In simple terms, depreciation is how businesses account for the wear and tear of their assets over time. It's like saying, this thing I bought won't last forever, and I need to reflect that in my books. When you buy something big, like a car for your company, a machine for your factory, or even a building, you don't just use it for 1 year. These things lose value as time goes by. That loss in value is called depreciation. Why does depreciation matter? There are 3 main reasons why depreciation is important. 1. It's realistic. Assets don't last forever, and this accounts for their reduced value over time. 2. It impacts profits. Depreciation is considered an expense, so it lowers taxable income. 3. It helps with planning. Knowing an asset's lifespan helps businesses budget for replacements. How does depreciation work? Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you buy a machine for 10,000 and it's expected to last 10 years. Each year, you spread out the cost, 1,000 per year. This is called the straight line method of depreciation. By the end of 10 years, the machine's value in your books is 0. Different methods of depreciation. There are several ways to calculate depreciation, depending on your business and the asset. 1. Straight line method, equal amount every year. 2. Declining balance method, higher depreciation in earlier years. 3. Units of production method, based on how much you use the asset. 4. Sum of the year's digits, a bit more advanced but useful for assets that lose value quickly at first. So, that's depreciation in a nutshell. It's all about spreading out the cost of an asset over its useful life and reflecting its wear and tear. Remember, this is not just accounting jargon, it's a powerful tool for managing your finances. Did you find this explanation helpful? If you did, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more bite-sized lessons on finance and business.
If you're a trader following market calls and tips for day trading, use our tool RNT, Research and Trade. All you have to do is link RNT to your trading account, then just sit and relax. Turn trading into business at app.gwcindia.live. Check out description for more details.